So until now we solved a lot of example questions. So இப்போ exercise questions பார்ப்போம். So watch the example video. It will give you more clarity. Then please watch the exercise questions. Okay, I'm going to solve slowly for you. Okay, now first question கொடுத்திருக்கு. I'm going to write it in terms of dy by dx plus py equals q. So இதுதான் நம்மளோட first step. இது அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கா? What is my p? It is going to be 2. What is my q? It is going to be sin x. So அதே ஃபார்ம்ல தான் இருக்கு. The first step is done. What is my second step? To find the integration factor, which is e to the integral of p dx. So this is e to the power of p என்ன? p ஓட value is 2 and q ஓட value is sin x. So p is 2 dx. E to the power of 2 is a constant. Dx na the integral is going to be x. So my integration factor is e to the power 2x. இப்போ third step என்ன? General form. Y times integration factor equals integration of q into integration factor times dx plus c. Okay, simple. Now substitute y into integration factor e to the power 2x equals q enna sin x e to the power 2x dx plus c. So left hand side la you don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is solve this integral. So enna panna porom? Integration by parts panna porom. So the integral is going to be sin x e to the power 2x equals sin x integral e to the power 2x minus integration of, open the bracket, derivative of the first term d by dx of sin x and integral of the second term dx adoda whole integration. Let's do this. So it is going to be sin x e to the 2x or integral is e to the 2x divided by 2. You see that there is a 2x in the power minus integration of sin x or derivative is cos x, again e to the 2x divided by 2 times dx. Now I have 1 by 2 e to the 2x times sin x minus 1 by 2 integration of e to the 2x, or I can write it as cos x times e to the 2x dx. இப்போ என்ன step? I have to solve this particular integral. Solve பண்ணலாமா? Now integration of cos x e to the 2x equals, again integration by parts, cos x times e to the 2x minus integration d by dx. இந்த integration by parts la நிறைய integration chapter la போட்டாச்சு. Okay, times dx. So I have cos x times e to the 2x divided by 2 minus integration of minus sin x e to the 2x divided by 2 times dx. Okay, so this is going to be cos x e to the 2x plus half integration sin x e to the 2x dx. There's a by 2 here. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல left hand side la what do we have here? I'm going to name this as I and this is also going to be I இல்லையா? So I equals, what do I have? I equals, when I substitute, first I'm going to write half e to the 2x times sin x. So half e to the 2x times sin x minus half. So I have minus half times integration cos x e to the 2x. So அது என்ன பண்ணோம் நம்ம? Integration cos x e to the 2x is going to be this particular thing. So cos x e to the 2x divided by 2 cos x e to the 2x divided by 2. அப்புறம் இன்னொரு என்ன term இருக்கு? Plus half times integration, அதை தான் நம்ம I னு போட்டிருக்கோம். So plus half I. Okay, plus half I. So what do I have? Half e to the 2x sin x minus, I'm going to open the bracket. So half into 1 by 2 is going to be 1 by 4 times cos x e to the 2x minus 1 by 4 I. So the minus 1 by 4 I am going to take it to the left hand side. So what do I have? I plus I by 4 equals, I'm going to take half outside. So I have half into e to the 2x யும் common எடுக்கலாமா? So e to the 2x times sin x minus cos x divided by 2. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு by 2 இருக்கு, மறந்துடாதீங்க. So now what is my left hand side? I divided by 4. LCM எடுத்தா I have 5i divided by 4 equals half e to the 2x times sin x minus cos x divided by 2. So now இந்த பக்கம் என்ன cancel ஆகும்? 2 and the 4 gets cancelled. So I'll be left with 5 by 2. So இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போனா I equals 2 by 5 times e to the 2x times sin x minus cos x divided by 2. So இப்போ I தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So what is our final solution? You have to substitute everything in this. This is your general solution. So I have y into e to the 2x, y into e to the 2x equals integration of sin x e to the 2x, which I named it as I இல்லையா இந்த arrow mark வச்சு. So I have 2 by 5 e to the 2x times sin x minus cos x divided by 2 plus c. Now I am dividing the whole equation by e to the 2x. So dividing by e to the 2x, I have y equals 2 by 5 times sin x minus cos x divided by 2 plus c divided by e to the 2x. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல நான் 2 மட்டும் உள்ள multiply பண்றேன். So I have y equals 2 sin x minus இந்த 2 இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? So I have cos x the whole divided by 5 plus c into e to the 2x numerator போச்சுனா it will be c e to the power minus 2x. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Second question. dy by dx plus 3y equals e to the minus 2x. So first step என்ன? dy by dx இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். So first step dy by dx plus py equals q in the formula irka. This is my p plus 3. Q is going to be e to the minus 2x. Very good. So p equals 3 and q equals e to the minus 2x. First step done. What is my second step? Finding the integration factor. It is going to be e to the power of p dx. Integral p dx, which is going to be e to the power of 3 dx. 3 is a constant. So I have 3. Integration of dx is going to be 3x. So integration factoring கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So third step என்ன? y into integration factor equals integration of q into integration factor times dx plus c. So y into e to the 3x equals integration of q and e to the minus 2x times e to the 3x times dx plus c. Left hand side எதுவுமே பண்ண வேண்டாம், அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதான். y into e to the power 3x equals rightல integral என்ன இருக்கு? e to the power m e to the power n gives you e to the power m plus n. So இதை simplify பண்ணா e to the x dx னு வந்துரும் plus c. Now y e to the 3x equals இதை integrate பண்ணா I'll have e to the x plus c. Simple. Now dividing the whole equation by e to the 3x, I have y equals e to the x divided by e to the 3x plus c divided by e to the 3x. So இதை simplify பண்ணா இது numerator போச்சுனா remember e power m divided by e power n equals e power m minus n. இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So I have e to the power minus 2x plus c e to the power minus 3x. Simple. Please copy. Question number 3. Again, check if this is of the form dy by dx plus py equals q. இந்த இடத்துல y இருக்குன்னா இங்கேயும் y இருக்கணும், ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So is this of the form? So p is equal to 1 by x, q is equal to x square. Okay, so let us write that p equals 1 by x and q equals x square. Simple. First step முடிஞ்சது. Second, finding the integration factor e to the power p dx, which is equal to e to the power 1 by x dx. So 1 by x is going to be e to the log x. E to the log of some function is going to be the function itself. So integration factoring கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now third step, y into integration factor equals integral q times integration factor into dx plus c. Y into integration factor என்ன? x equals integration of q is going to be x square times x dx plus c. So this is going to be xy equals integration x cube dx plus c. X cube ஓட integration என்ன? xy equals x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Dividing the whole equation by x. Why are we doing that? Left hand side la y மட்டும் வேணும், அதனால y equals x power 3 divided by 4. Divided by x பண்ணா ஒரு x போயிடும் plus c x to the minus 1. Divided by x numerator போச்சுனா x to the minus 1. Okay, so this is my solution. Please copy. Question number 4. Now first step என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். So dy by dx plus py equals q. இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கா? So p equals secant x, q equals tan x. So what do I have? இந்த இடத்துல first எழுதிக்கிறேன். p equals secant x and q equals tan x. So first step முடிஞ்சது. இப்போ second step என்ன? I need to find the integration factor which is e raised to the power p dx which is e to the power p என்ன? Secant x dx. So what is integration of secant x? இந்த இடத்துல நான் secant x ஓட different integrations எழுதிருக்கேன். So integration of secant x is going to be e to the power log of secant x plus tan x. This is going to be e to the log of some function is going to be the function itself. So secant x plus tan x. இப்போ integration factor கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சா? Now what is my next step? To find the general equation. Y times integration factor equals integration q of integration factor times dx plus c. Okay, so இதை solve பண்ணா y into secant x plus tan x equals integration of q என்ன? Tan x times secant x plus tan x times dx plus c. Simple. இப்போ ஒரு term split பண்ண போறேன். I'm going to split these two terms and I'm going to split these two terms and find the integral separately. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? Integral of tan x secant x dx is going to give me integral of tan x secant x is going to be secant x இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு. Okay? You have to remember all these. So this is going to be simply secant x. இப்போ ரெண்டாவது integral is going to be tan square x. What do you know? Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. அப்போ tan square x என்ன? Secant square x minus 1. So I can rewrite this as integration of secant square x minus 1 times dx. So this I can further split as secant square x dx minus integration of dx. Integration of secant square x என்ன? It is going to be tan x. Okay? இதுலயே secant ஓட நிறைய varieties இருக்கு. So please don't get confused. So this is tan x minus x. இப்போ இதெல்லாம் consolidate பண்ணலாமா? So what do I have? Y into secant x plus tan x equals the integration. I have to add the two. So I have secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. Dividing the whole equation by secant x plus tan x, what do I have? Y equals secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x minus x divided by secant x plus tan x plus c divided by secant x plus tan x. இந்த மாதிரி split பண்ணலாமா? I'm just clubbing the two terms. இதை இந்த மாதிரி club பண்ணலாம். Okay? Now what do I have? Y equals 1 minus x plus c divided by secant x plus tan x. So this is my final answer. Please copy.